Hey everybody, I wanted to shoot this video real quick and show just how many bills I can fit into a Travax Venture billfold. I've been using this over the past few months. I got this right when it came out, and I've been really impressed with how many bills it can actually hold. I've seen a review or a couple online about that it can't hold that much in terms of bills or cards, and I don't have that many cards in here, but I do have a lot of bills, so I want to show you that today. So let's see here. Before I start, I'll share with you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7 cards up in the top. I've got 1 card back here. Well, let's see. I've got kind of 1 card and some business cards, and I've got a receipt back here. But the main thing is to show you I've got actually 27 bills in here. I'll show you, real quick. I won't count them all out for you, but you'll just have to kind of believe me. So 27 bills, and that actually is a much higher number than what we have on the website. And so I've been really impressed with that. And why is it that it can hold 27 bills? It's because when we cut this leather initially, it's a little bit tight. And all of our products, all of our leather wallets are that way, really, because it takes time for the leather to stretch in. It's like a good leather pair of boots. It's like a good leather baseball glove. It's a little tight at first because it needs to take time to weather, to wear in. And you can just see kind of how the wallet has contoured. And so I'll take these 27 bills and put them in here. One of the reviews that I saw, like all the bills that were going in were crinkled. And well, if you're, getting your bills from somebody that just came out of a pool, I guess, maybe they would be all crinkled, but this is actually real life. I didn't stage this. I'm more just impressed with how many bills it can hold. These are bills that I've gotten from tellers or from ATMs, just doing normal life, and that's how it looks. It still clasps closed. And so this wallet, I really like this a lot, and I use it every day. I really do still like this locking mechanism because it gives me a sense of safety in the wallet, and I like this thing a lot. So it can hold a lot more than it says. It just takes a little bit of time. Be patient with the break-in process. It'll take a little bit of time, but it's so worth it. Thanks.